Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi 15. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So on top of this box we will have here another little white box, and if we open it we will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, always the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to the first position, of course. And this is how it should look like then. There's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. And if you want, it is optional. You can add as well here a second SIM card. It belongs to that position here. It's pretty tiny, everything, but it works. So this is how it should look like then if you want to use two SIM cards at the same time. So there's also a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And here as well, the contacts, they are below. In case, if you want to extend the internal storage, you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. So if you want to extend the internal storage, remove the second SIM card and insert the microSD card here, because it needs the full space. Okay. This is how it should look like then, if you want to use a microSD card. And it only fits like that. And the contacts are here below as well. And if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.